Today, we'll be talking about what exactly is going on in the US economy and how you can actually go about it. My name is Grace. If you're a returning subscriber, you know we don't waste your time here. And if you're a first-time subscriber, thank you for joining the family. So the Federal Reserve met this week. And if you don't know what Fed is, this is a short version. They are the most powerful financial body in the whole of United States. They control the interest rate. And the interest rate controls everything, like literally everything you pay for. So this week, they looked at everything and decided to do absolutely nothing. There's no relief whatsoever. And there's no change in any financial law or policy. Oh, come on. And this is the fourth time in a row they've held rates exactly where they are. Now, why does this even matter to you? It's because everything you've ever been waiting for is actually tied to that decision. This includes cheaper borrowing, a lower monthly pay, and a shot at actually buying your dream home. And they just said, not yet. Again, doesn't make sense. Now, I want to talk about what this actually means at your kitchen table. For an average American household, the credit card APR, which actually means annual percentage rate, is actually sitting around 20% currently. That means if you're carrying a balance of $2,000 every month and you're only paying the minimum every month, it means you're barely touching the actual debt. And then there's your mortgage or the refinance you've been thinking about. 30 years of mortgage sitting above 6.5%. That's not a typo. That's the reality of high rate society. When you live in a high rate society, what do you expect? And as far as groceries are concerned, the same cart that cost you less last year will cost you more this year. Not because you're shopping differently, but because everything costs more. Like, that's what inflation does. Now, here's what most people do. They feel stressed. They cut back on things they've already cut back on. Imagine you cut down the cost to reduce it, and because you don't want to have a high rate, you still cut down on it again. And after cutting down on cost, they just wait. But why are you waiting actually? Because waiting is not a strategy. Waiting is only going to waste your time. Honestly, it's only going to waste your time. It means you're losing time. So here's what we're going to do. Find the leak. Yeah, find the leak. Because every household has somewhere in your house that is quietly sucking up all the funds. It could actually be maybe a subscription you forgot about. It could even be a bank that is always removing charges. Sometimes it can actually be a credit card balance that is taking out money every month. Find the leak. That's the first thing you need to do. The next thing you want to do is to move your savings. I don't know why a lot of people sleep on this, because we sleep on moving our savings to a high yield savings account where you can actually get 4 to 5% on it. Because if we don't get 4 to 5% on it, I promise you, that money is going to reduce by the time you check it. And the cool thing is, it takes about 10 minutes to move it to a HYSA account, and the money starts working immediately. The third thing you want to do is to build for the economy you're in and not the one you're waiting for. We have a lot of people always planning for the future, building for something ahead, and they forget that we are living in now. Come on. Live in now and build for now. Do not hope for something you have not even seen at all. Stop making financial decisions based on what you think may happen. Rates may drop this year and they may not. So build for now. Nutshell of it all is that your household needs a plan that works. And there is no better time to start building one than now. Because things are actually not the best at the moment. But if you can build right now that things are hard, you'll be in a much stronger position to control it when things are working better. Know where your money comes in, know where your money goes, know what is left, then make a deliberate decision to know what to do with what you have. So here's the thing. Every Thursday, we run a free online workshop where we get to break down all of this, no cost to buy, no upsell, just real financial education for real people. And we also have a community where you can ask questions, get free materials, and you also get to communicate with people that are on the same journey as you. So the link to everything is in the description. Just click on the one that applies to you. And if this video has helped you, do not hesitate to share. Make sure you share, and I'm gonna see you on Thursday.